This is the Oppo Find X. Hello folks, this is Ajha from inspiredtorise.com, and today we are going to unbox and tell you more about the Oppo Find X device. So this is the official box for this smartphone. Inside you get the smartphone itself and you get the SIM tray removal pin. You get a 3.5mm to USB-C converter. And apart from that, you get the warranty card and other things. You get earphones inside, and you also get the VOOC charger, which supports 5V 4A fast charging for this smartphone, and you also get the USB-A to USB Type-C cable on the inside. The Oppo Find X has a front and back Corning Gorilla Glass 5 body and an aluminium frame. This device gets smudges very easily. It comes with a 6.42-inch display with a 1080p plus resolution, 19.5:9 aspect ratio, 401 ppi, 87% screen to body ratio, and this device has an AMOLED display. The feel in hand was quite good, but I feel that it's quite a delicate device. The camera mechanism moves up and forth unlike the Vivo Nex, and this one has dual SIM support, USB Type-C at the bottom, and the speaker grill. It supports dual nano SIM, and this device comes with quite a nice color finish. Body X red and glacier blue are the color options. At the top, there's the noise cancellation microphone, and if I talk about what's on the inside, it comes with the Snapdragon 845 chipset, 8GB of RAM, 128GB or 256GB of internal storage. The 256GB model is the Lamborghini edition, which also supports Super VOOC charger. This one has almost every sensor that you need for a great smartphone experience, and this is a flagship device. That much was expected from this one. It scored one of the highest scores that I have ever seen on the Antutu benchmark, almost hitting the 3 lakh mark, but I feel that these guys might have manipulated the score somehow. Other than that, if I talk about gaming performance, when playing something like PUBG, I felt that the frames were good enough, but in the area where I was playing, I felt that the network reception was poor. That's why there was some lag. The camera mechanism for this device is the main thing which we need to talk about. It's something which pops up every time you unlock the phone while using Face Unlock, and it pops up every time you use the front or the back camera. And I think that because of these moving parts, this might be something which may not last really long. It has a dual 16MP plus 20MP sensor on the back with dual LED dual tone flash and a 25MP front camera. I felt that the still image quality was great on the camera, and the AI enabled beautification made me look like a Chinese doll at some points, but overall I did look good enough. And if I talk about few other things, the image quality was good, but the portrait mode lacked refinement. As you can see, some of the areas are not blurred out properly, so that's something that needs refinement. If I talk about the video quality, the front camera supports 1080p video but does not look stabilized at all. The back camera supports 4K video, but I saw a lot of flickering and exposure issues while shooting video with the back camera, and that's why I feel that the camera is really not up to the mark at this point of time. It might be a software issue, but it's something that needs to be resolved soon. And now it's the time to test the audio output for this device. So the audio output was quite loud, nice and clear, so that's something that I particularly liked. If I talk about the heating issues etc., there was no heating whatsoever even while running heavy benchmarks or games for a longer period of time, so I found that this device is not that bad. I think the main thing about this device is the mechanism at top. Even little amount of dust when accumulated in that mechanism would render it useless. So the overall design is very good, but the phone retails for a price of around 60,000 rupees in India, and it would be available from 3rd of August. The pre-orders start from 25th of July. But overall, I feel that this smartphone is overpriced, though it has got quite a lot of good features, and the Face Unlock does take quite a lot of time in order to work. It does not even have the 3.5mm jack. There are issues here and there in the smartphone, and the pricing is definitely bad. But overall, I feel that this is one of the futuristic smartphones of this year, and well, there is a chin also on this one. The ColorOS experience is okay, but not the best. There are a lot of Chinese apps pre-installed on the phone that I had to remove in order to get anything done. So I think that those are the issues with this phone. Who should buy this phone? Anybody who is looking to invest in the future can easily buy this phone, but at a price of 60,000 rupees, not even the really highly motivated enthusiasts might want to buy this phone. The Lamborghini edition would be even more expensive than this one, and I feel that it might not be a worthy choice. It has a 3730 mAh battery which might last you quite long, but still, despite of all of its merits, the price does let us down. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this video, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button. Do subscribe to Inspire to Rise for more awesome tech videos like this one. And guys, no matter what you do, stay inspired to rise.